In this stellar review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's claiming to make $72 per video click. I'm going to be showing you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to take a look at Stellar, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a bunch of special bonuses for you if you end up purchasing this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, so let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says the world's first system that pays us for clicking the video link. Exposed 240 million internet protocol pays us $72 over and over again per video click. No tech skills required, no investment needed, no experience. So it says systematically generates up to $2,000 a month. This makes us $50 to $100 per day. So lots of income claims here. What is this? From what I understand, it's a way of taking like jacking videos and hijacking them and putting offers on top of them. I think I'm going to show you a demo video of it in a second here. I was trying to wrap my head around it, but I think whatever this does, it's got a lot of hype in the marketing here. Like the $72 over and over again. It's a little bit I don't know, like getting that much for clicking a link. Pays us over and over for per video click. I don't know. I'm a little bit skeptical these days. So here is their proof here, $72 per video click, and they show a PayPal payment from $72. So essentially they're showing like you're going to get PayPal payments of $72 every time someone does that. I don't know about that, guys. It says log in, set up your done for your campaign. Just click on the video link and then repeat it over and over again. Here's $504 per video click using Stellar. I don't know if they're trying to allude to the fact that this is like from doing affiliate marketing, and they're saying that they're getting like $7,200 per video click. Yeah, that doesn't happen here. Here's some testimonials. I don't think these people are real. Guys, for these sales pages, please start using real testimonials and real people. I really need you guys to do that. It's getting out of hand. So yeah, as we go down here, more sales page stuff here, yada, 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 yada. If you're going to get this, what are you going to get? You get the access to the software, the done for you campaigns, the easy to follow tutorials. I'm going to show you those tutorials in a second here. It's only $14. You can add in an extra booster for $10 here. If you're going to get this, move your mouse away. You get a $2 discount on it. I get less as an affiliate by showing you that, but I always want to make sure you guys get the lowest prices. Give me a like if you like the fact that I show that and you want me to keep doing it. I'm going to show you a quick demo video that they provided me. It's only like about a minute, a little longer than a minute. It doesn't have any sound or anything on it, so yeah, I think you'll enjoy watching that. But take a look at that and try to figure out what this does, and I'll be back after to show you the backend area again. I'm gonna kind of walk around a little bit there and show you the OTOs and the discounts. Okay, so we're back here. So this is, yeah, this is the backend area that I have access to, like that you guys just saw, like the campaigns that you can set up here. You can add in you can add in these different campaigns here, like your, let's do one. Why not do one? That sounds like fun. So let's do this. So review, test, offer, redirect URL. Let's just go to Google for that. The exit traffic control, yes. Exit traffic. I don't know what that I'm supposed to put there for that, but if I go to the training, it brings me over to that demo video again. So the training's not too great at this point. Like, so I'm not really sure. I'm going to click no on that. This one, no social buttons. I'm not going to try to do with that header text. I'm just going to put header text here, so we'll know what that is. And I'm not going to even play with that kind of stuff here. Skip text button, text, skip, and finish and save. So here's my campaign. I've got a campaign. I can create a link here. So let's add a new link from my review test. Okay, I need a YouTube URL. So let's just take this one. Why not? Let's just take that URL, put it back in the software. All right, so this is the link that it gives me. Let's see what this does. This is my, let's see, I can click on view link. Okay, so what this is doing looks like it's creating some kind of a lose weight. Okay, so it's because of the category, it's creating a special page for me. And if I could do this, I guess maybe if I did the exit thing, it would do an exit intent thing on it. So here's they've got done for you bonuses here. No, let's go out to that again. So yeah, no, I guess it creates the kind of done for you pages. So if you're looking for like little done for you pages, I think if we go back to the campaigns, we can select another if we go back and change the category, like we had health and fitness, so it'd be like e-business and marketing. Let's just click finish and save. And we go back to, let's see, to our links here. So we can just view it. Yeah, it changes it here. Your online business now needs this product to get 10 times more income. So yeah, not the best here. But anyways, if you're gonna get this and you're gonna get offered OTOs here. So the first OTO is gonna be offered to you here. This is it looks like an unlimited version. This is if you move your mouse away, you can get a $10 discount on this. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing this. If you give me a like for that, please. If you like the fact that I show you those. So this is unlimited. So I guess you can create unlimited links with this one. Next one's enterprise. So this is an autopilot version. You move your mouse away and get a $10 discount. Next one's a done for you add-on. So we get that. You can get a $100 discount on this one. Next one is you can get more traffic to your sales pages. Move your mouse away, you can get a $10 discount on this one. Here's you can get a bunch of their products for just 9 cents each. Move your mouse away and get that one. Then you can get resale rights and move your mouse away, and you can get a $60 discount. Get this for 87. So all the upgrades completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Stellar and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, it's not that amazing of a software. It's very basic. It's got a few different categories in it. The pages that it creates aren't really that special. Looks like you can customize them a little bit if you want to, but it's you can't really doesn't look like you can customize a lot of the done for you stuff there. It's maybe not the best bonus page builder or page builder I've seen. What do I like about this? I guess if you're looking for something where you don't need to buy a domain name, you don't need hosting, you just need a quick page that you want to put up, you want to put a video on it, and you want to be able to have some extra the categories that they put on there, then this could potentially be right for you. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Stellar, then go ahead and click that link below. Please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.